So Puno East ya ebefa Sompa 90.7 FM so and as our sentiment and Potemwa and Nama Sompa 93.1 FM so abjafo nsam no doso na poso da poso enie NPP amanyo kodi atuga se ensemo as NDC fo mu ko wuntintini chenchiri a attorney general Godfrey Ebo Adame yenyina di no omo ese ensem papa bia ni nsem ni mu a wose Ghana for yeso so mampeni da John Dramani mama so di atuga se so don't for ye na dom ama Ghana for ye nyane mu gidie de tumi ama ne biewa obi obedi minister be ye adwuma na ba mu bia wo ya ne beto no petru no atua ne light bill ne water bill so ene atesem rantie ma ene maba wa binom a wo mo ewo insua tre ye wo sunyane abonte so akoto a Ghana National Fire Service adwumefo so esibam mo musibam tra abusia na akwakoya rehosem weni afofro pi no a ene akekese ene se kase a ba bia wo bia no anopaye ba na yede ababesom wo medi ne nsesan na ya bo amali bia boga abusia fo ye nyebre na finsam no yenkomo ankasa emfa emmamo yede mo shas ye de free manso a ababeto MPP ni NDC fo ntem ni nyina Dr. Atokwa Mena Adesi no Asebe gani o wamra asebe gefima adehia ewo adwuma ko enye nesiem abato mpesua so a ene o komra asebe gefima adom kuma ewo Ghana mra asebe gefima no na ye penimpa woda no yese ne pen so a na oyeso afo abedi echo my Ghana sika samne na ntoto yeso mampeni da John Dramani mama pen so no omokoto ambulance bia yese na ye ntontruwa trotrokra no wode ye anya de ebeye ebegu omayimu a keseke hunu ena ne pen so hweye ema oman na eboye no ntino mo de da kwa akogina koto a asem ye di atrenche wo court wa na nanu ada no opani a wodi adanse wa asem no ho yesi e ka de enkoni atene general de feso o court dem won man sempinu a epiepia bonten ma manfo keso mada ne politics ya bia be fa bia ena manfo tutu na sere ne abasa nam so ma NDC amanyo kodi abetu ga se omodo omo kama manse ginate sa atene general no ekwan ofa so di ne dwuma no entwe ye etia mra tomra ntebe ya mampani na dan kwa kufado wompam wura no ebi ogu my Ghana kese yatem adwuma no ne eye kese yatentere ne ho nsensem ogura ne ma kra and I'm so MPP amanyo koso so area to ga say sansam na NDC ko ntintini wo mo ekeka no eni kwanse yeso so mo so kra lawyer Frank Davis MPP wo mo legal team no wono eni di wo manim na nsem a wo de to dwane
and seize this malicious orchestrations targeted at bastardizing our judicial system and to prevent him from standing trial to his final. They should just keep quiet and let the proceedings in court continue. We are very clear in our minds that the cause of the resignation of the Attorney General is misplaced, unwarranted, and this will not put any spokes in the prosecution of cases of default and his associates. Ladies and gentlemen, the call for the resignation the Attorney General coming from the NDC is very, very rich. The NDC calling on the Attorney General to resign from office. That is what that means. The AG will not resign. He will continue to remain witty, resolute, and focused in the delivery of his work, as he does always. The wheels of justice, we say, grind slowly, but eventually it will grind to a halt. Thank you once again for coming.
Abzafo we a lawyer Frank Davis na yetene kanana anso ho anu akire na osaso chese eni bia edia de ncheche na ebo patabribrise pasoche wo mayima yese NDC for na dia baba tugia se an eno no eye kukuamu nkoma lawyer Godfrey Ebo Adame aban lawyer Penny Attorney General ene openi Richard Jakano a odi adanse wa asemi ho ediye okukuamu ma kire bi ede egu afidie so no omosesa ansem ni nyina no eye chese nipa binum no makwa kane mesie ni ede begu owura na nimase akwa no owura no yobia wadi ne huni efrimra wakoye lawyer adwuman wadi ne huni pa fi ene kekawa bia eni ne ho.
Where is the rest of the team? Even in respect of what was played, it is apparent that there are repetitions, overlaps, incoherence, voice over, and distortions, demonstrating that the NDC has spent these past days distorting whatever team they played. It is no wonder that even this afternoon, we are caught in the same trap anyway. Even this afternoon, instead of commencing the press conference at 2, they had to wait till about 3 o'clock. because they were still doctored. We have been doctored. We are presenting to you the facts. Even on that doctored team, Attorney General never requested the witness to falsify, fabricate, or concoct any evidence or testify in the prosecution's favor.
Fonti lawyer Frank Davis and no NPP amanyugo no omo legal team a yese omo eko epredema party no no ena ye pani awudi enimu yeto so sansem ya ho na yekotie Yewra Johnson esedun ketia ene NDC amanyugo no susu nsɛmtwefo nhye wono ma eyeye de efa san komono a eye lawyer Godfred Ebo Adam yaban lawyer pani ene opani Richard Jakano a odi adanse wa asemi ho no san komono ma kire bedi agu afidie so ene asem kura na Yewra Godfred Ebo Adam ne Richard Jakano eka na wakache ne sign se ne opese misi bedi adanse krumu ema atofo se bedemu no ebetomra ebasa kra meme kra no a me ya Richard Jakano mitibua ebedi me fa kozi se mewudi afra asase so yenkoti Yewra Johnson esedun ketia ene no a womo eboye ne mra na omo yensentwefo nhyiamu ewon krapompone mantemo.
Not draft a contract. It says everything on site of Bush shall be established upon the signing of the contract for every future.
No, it was the contract was drafted by government. It was done by government.
Oh, yes. And
it was an LG department perused the contract and approved the contract for government.
It is not a problem. We had the approval. Every contract that we approved before later when they implement it and problems.
You see, what the difficulty I have with your position is that you see, frankly speaking, fine, as you are saying, if I agree to your position, how you want to go about it and how you want me to go about my answering questions and things. If I go by that way, frankly speaking, I'll be dishonest because I know that is not how it's supposed to.
You heard him. This is the facts, but you want me to go about it your way.
Fonti Yewra Johnson esedun ketia ye national chairman de mandisi amanyuko nsɛmtwefo nhyiamu a wono eye nenra ede ne mfuni ene ahodo pi tutu dwadi adanse se ambulance no a Yewra atofo senkotoba ene nye ntonturo wasa na niema wo ho ene ne wache susu no edwa okokodi ye no wankodi dwabone a enam so ma man na boka bia na asem MPP fo no mpeso mo fa kon bia so ede oru an koto prison enu ntina ma omo eye niema sa no for yet 17 so na asemi ya ansa na NDC for be your monsem twefo nhyiamu ama MPP for aba be ya no na no pa no court afrasem no ema wo makọ court ama chese aloya for na kwa koto omu nkrobo no so ne apututu you no na to aso a court no na enra court no frasem na no pa no a otema for justice afia se wasare boche etena asem no so no omo afra Yewra Sami Jamfi ya ono na hwani amansa de nkomama NDC amanyuku no se wamatena dakam na omeyi nsembia no ewo ensem no ho na okopi adaka nim no na judge no ede kokobo ema eye Yewra Sami Jamfi se Yewra Sami Jamfi nya hwe pa asem we ba ye no sini o city TV so eti radio so ene internet so ne ko ho ntintini edi atam e kan nsem a ensem fra no obesere no ada asem no eda court wonim nti o ka ya onhwe na no ene kasa ye pa na busia de court so court no aba lawyer pani abedi echire Yewra eye Alfred Tiaye boa nsɛmtwefo ene ne di nkomo buzan so pani na de pa na kosi yenti a enra no pa muko case no so court no edu ba bi mu frɛ Sami Jamfi ema ne betena dakami a otimafo odi asɛm no justice afia se wasare wode warning kesi ema no yi.
Is on our official assignment and he'll be back very soon. That's the decision of the AG to make, but I don't see it that way. I do not see any tension. We are prosecuting our case. They are defending their clients, and that's how the legal system works. So far as we are doing our work in court, we continue to do it and nothing else. So there's no tension. I don't know the controversy we are talking about. A mere allegation has been made. And so if anybody thinks that he may want a committee to be set up, I disagree with such a person. And I don't see anyone who may want to even think that it's a matter that borders on the integrity of the Attorney General or any other thing.
Fonti we aye aban lawyer penny lawyer Alfred Tiaye boa na bedi echire na yetene kane no eche Sami Jamfi no a ma ne betena dakam no ono so echeche nsemu se echire yen.
In principle, the caution of the court was in order. It's something that we in the end agree with. That is why, right from the outset, we have been very circumspect in whatever we say in this case, and make sure that the court is not in any way or form scandal. I think the particular reference to me that was something that, in my humble opinion, the courts got wrong. I took the opportunity to draw the court's attention to the fact that the said comment was not about this court or the presiding judge in this trial. I think that you are aware that we have a press conference at 2 p.m. to address the unprofessional and criminal conduct of the Attorney General in this matter. That press conference will go into issues that
Abzianfo Same Jemfi and Ereni Amansa din komoma NDC amanyuku no yete ne nkenya na ochechi nsemu ede echire ye no ye to aso mampeni da John Dramani Mamadi atuga se Ghana fo nya no mugidie biu ye de tumi amana manasa aba bedi president ya ade obe ni se wa obe minister wa obe deputy minister wa obe ye adwuma secretary ni wona ba mu de fa hye otirim se wo ba no betua light bill obetua water bill wa na abeto petrol agu kamu a enkoye kanetete wonom na yesi aban and etua water bill etua light bill ato petrol agu kam ama wodi bia kwa gas ho ne ade no sa de ne nsi biu yesi che so mutimi kwa kodi dwa nyina fiada e de gugu ministers ni fi o se sa de ne nyade a obeso so bi o de sansem tudwa wa bra na ne European Union mpenimfo ehia edin komo
in Cote d'Ivoire when our oil wells had already been discovered, they had been appraised, and all that needed to do was for them to go ahead and drill. I think that this matter should have been taken more seriously. It could have been resolved without lasting how long it has. As soon as we come, I know the matter is under arbitration. Our understanding is that by July or August, the arbitration would be issued, and I hope that that would resolve the issue. But if it doesn't resolve, then we come into office, we'll find alternative means to resolve that issue so that ENI can go ahead with its work of bringing more gas and oil. We will discontinue the payment of utility bills, fuel, DSTV, etc. as conditions of service for top government officials, directors, and the political class. We believe that people should take up paying their own electricity bills and water like every other Ghanaian does. And unless you're using a government vehicle on government assignment, you should buy your own fuel if you're using your own car. And so we're going to discontinue that. We will give priority to Ghanaian registered businesses. I didn't say Ghanaian businesses, I said Ghanaian registered businesses. And so any business that is registered in Ghana, pays taxes in Ghana, would be given priority in terms of
Former President John Dramani Mamadi yete ne nke we yemra na oni European Union mpedimfo ahia na omo edin komo ede afa na nisuade hunu ni tirimupo ni nsusua owo edimo man na ocheche sansemi mu afa yemfa mo enko finso north abato mpesua so na omomra sebedwane era Augustine Collins ntim yenko na tenaye dipa pinua eka sai efrimro MPP amanyuko koto o mabako yi wo mo mugina de amanyuko no ewo mpesua hodo so a yera Augustine Collins ntim ekowi ye as a party no o mapam ne mu o momfa ne nyehwe deputy minister kra no ye kra na kufuado wa yine di ena kese ya pam no yine ba akode ama no nti ase ama ye mfa ne nyehwe eno ena ama NPP wo mo secretary for ene wo ma be di echiri for ye nsempjefo nhye se anya no kra bia no kra no sansam na manfo bi ekeka no so munimu a mampedia be di eche Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bami ene odi NPP amanyuko anim ede wo no mo akwa bato afi eye December bosom de toso enso no wo mo a wo kaka na ne yi wo mo se ombetima ye ne running mate amana ye no yera Augustine Collins ntim oka ho bi pa
se enye no kre de biara da ye je ye papa no awa tu esa se nsam a ye papa no na enye meeting ye said that on safe na so obeto mu no eni die paul de man ye said secretaries and assistant secretaries no eso ye ni na to yakoma so ene nsam fu abaye miensa ye papa no san so e ka kire ye no na ye nsam a ye didi ye se ebeboa MPP ameriko ene Ghana man eno ti no ye je no awa tu prekope na afa ye koba ne sen a mabunu bi kuo bi a ɔmo amfɔmo edi antuja deɛ ɔmo kase association no entimi anase secretaries a nye yɛ papa no kora no ɛno yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛ fa mofidie so ɛka sɛ wiase afa ne nyinaa sɛ saa asɛm no ɛyɛ huruda asɛm no kora biara enim atrɛtrɛfo no abɛdi akyire ku ɛwɔ asante mantam ha no yɛ papa yɛ gye no awa atu na ne nsɛm so ɔbɛka yɛ no yɛ gye ne nyinaa awa atu ɛno akyi no ɔmo saa ka bibi sɛ ɔsan so ka sɛ yɛhia obi a ɔyɛ devoted Christian yɛdeɛ ɛnyɛ no na yɛhwɛ sɛbi secretaries yɛne yɛmfo wɔ yɛ a yɛde kɔyi flag barrier running mate ɔfa gantuni abɛde akyire
abusafo nti wei ɛyɛ Samuel Asarbedi Ako a oye din e de ma NPP twotwofo ahodo a omo e wa santimantem mu eno no ye de mo e kosunyane West abaton peso ya so obono mantem no mu na ya tese ye semrante bi e wo nsu atera bonte so akoto ahye Ghana National Fire Service adwumayfo so e ma pipe pa na akwa ye nim guasesema de ya wo mo se ejato baabi na ebra omo frɛ Ghana National Fire Service for so omo mra no mo medum gya no ene bra Fire Service for no kokoduru ho no no omo efi sɛ Fire Service for no boa pa omo hyeda ena kyese lase sem sa ema gya ne hye ade kro no ana ehye no eno nto mu duru ho no mo a ena mrante ne yɛ ne mu nso mu na mo Fire Service for no de ebe ɛwɔ mo ene enso bu a wo se bu onye se bi a epete wo mo so yɛ so omo fire tender ne ade ahwehwe nyina omo ebobobbo no a na Fire Service for no so kyese enya wo mo a ekwan na no omo nam so de kɔ baabi a na gya na to no na ekwan ne nye ekwan fom pa ena no omo nam so no ayi omo kai susu mumruntum omo ntimi nkomirika hwihwiwi sa ɛwɔ kokwanfo sa so ene kofa sa arehosem no de baye omo kyere kakra no ADO2 Kwame Adomakon eye penimpa be de kyira okasa de ma Fire Service adwuma no ɛwɔ bono mantem no
omo problem nyane se omo frɛ fire for no ya mantem omo frɛ the truth of the matter any insuatre car no was took out of commission temporarily because now omo ya say omo battery which a machine into a betimi assay omo di abaha yes that time now and the unfortunate thing also happened. It's not just also Sunyane any insuatre nyɛ kwa ketwa the road network the rams the fireman onye superman sebio fireman onye spiderman no the car no etu enti say omo ntimi ama me duru ntema I don't see the reason why you da agada ho say omo be say car no ama say no ijana ma mi an kodum no efie ni nso ahye we nya the first time etasi and
observe nti we eye Kwame Adomako ya we penimpa be de kyira wo kasa de ma Ghana National Fire Service adwuma no ewo eye bono mantem ne mu ye to aso na ye de kase na kwako wie wo Fenso South Municipal observe ya tese afi empedimfo su bedue nua pa na green Ghana ne ade mama no tuase duru ho no sa no a ye ntoto na sia na empedimfo a omo hwe forestry hun sensem so wo Fenso South ne mpotamu de atoga se afi ombekọ manim bedua pa ya enya asam ketwa opani Edward Nyama echichiri mu sei
nti yen no afi na ye hwe kwan se da no a ho no hwe kwan se 340,000 cedis and SSA ichimi ejia e was 2024 Green Ghana eyimo na offense so no enya emiswabi hunu bi se and say previous na eya na ejia no e fara na ejia no nkwanchan ene ade no ehun se bi a emre ni nru no a and that say ye fire chi ahwe no then say e fama no bia embo abewe ana say ensem bible betimi atro ewo ho nti yen so no Fenso Forest District in collaboration with the Municipal Assembly no ya yen say afili pe say the focus no ekoye forest reserves no
observe nti we eye Fenso Municipal and so Fenso South ne mpatamu opani a forestry hun sensem nyina wo hweso opani Edward Nyama ena yete no enka yegina we so na no pay nsemo ebobo no de besom na busiafo ye de mo asi ha se ni asore ama ɔmanhene asaso atenase bio de ade akyɛ bi adwumadi atoa moso kokua ne chinchin fidie ne de maamie ene battalions abegu dem ha sei ene se fidie ni so mu tutu ahye ne foforo so omo ba beto foforo na je se odwene ho a wonti hase ene ne ma omo ye ne dem ase ni ka camera ni chim amoma hudie ekoso nchenche ha no mo a o eni kapa ena Kelvin ni azuka nom ene pike num chese ne kra de ga ma we mi hu na hada so abaka chire ene wo mu nyina na ya nom nyina ebe chinchin fidie ni bi de ma ya no pay ye miem e de ma ye mi de ya bo amale bi aboga no pay ya da mo ase bia ne ya mo mache bia o ma hene sa som e de ade ache bia dwumadi atoa mos